Everyone, we are going to do some experiments today. I have got this litmus paper and I will check every single object's pH level, whether it is an acid or a base. So let's see. If you are wondering, this is my grandmother and we will do some experiments with my grandmother. First, let's check the lemon. I have got this lemon and I will check its pH level. So observation is always important. Here we have the lemon and I am going to check it. See.
दादी color है ये
pH level देखो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ
and
research कर रही हूँ करेगी तब मैं डॉक्टर बनेगी
and it has turned red, as you can see. So red means acidic, so its pH level is 4.3, which is acidic. So lemon is acid. Now let's check the soap. We have gotten the soap and let's rub it around a little bit. See, and its pH and the litmus paper turned blue, which means this is basic, this is alkaline, and so means soap is base.